In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of completing a Google document assignment from the very beginning when you're in e-college all the way to the point where you have a grade in the grade book. So I'm going to take the lesson that we're working on right now as an example, lesson 1B. Please take note that right here it will tell you that it's a Google document assignment. So what you're going to do is you're going to go all the way down, read through the notes of the assignment, and I want you to notice that when you get down here, to the bottom of the lesson is where you're going to find a statement that says, click here for a printable version of these notes. You should always print that out. And then you're going to click where it says, click here to copy and paste your assignment into Google Documents. So I'm going to click on the Google document, and it's going to open up the link. What I want you to do is do a right click, choose select all. You want to get into that habit. Do a right click and click copy. Once you have copied the assignment in eCollege, what you need to do is log into your email account. So you come up here and click into webmail, and then you're going to be asked to log in. So you're going to go into your email account. And what you're going to find is that you need to go into where it says Documents. Once you've gotten into your Google Documents, you need to click the New button, click Document, and you will find that you have a blank page. Here's the blank page. Do a right click and paste your assignment into the blank page. At the top of the assignment, I have named the assignment. This is Lesson 1B, Semester 2 Algebra. Go ahead and highlight that, copy it, and we are going to be pasting it into the title bar. Come up to here where it says Untitled. You will have to allow scripted windows, click Untitled again, then you're going to see this screen. Do a right click and paste the title into there and hit OK. Once you have named your document, you're going to complete the assignment. When your assignment is completed, you need to share it with me. So you will come over to the right side of the screen and you will see this blue share button. Drop it down and choose Share with Others. At that point, you need to put my email into the white box and make sure that you're inviting me as a collaborator and hit Invite Collaborators. This white box will come up. It says tell these people about the document. You definitely want to tell me that you're sending it to me. You can put a special message in this box if necessary. Make sure that your subject does say what you're sending, and then choose the Send button. Show you what happens once I receive your document. I will come into my email account and I'm going to see in my inbox that it says that you have sent me this assignment, and I will see where it says I've shared a document with you. I will click it open, and at this point I'm going to grade it. Once I've opened your document, I'm going to grade your answers. I want to give you an example of what to look for. As I read your document, for instance, let's look at number 3 here. It says, how do you name a document? Let's say, for instance, that you put, I don't know. That would be unacceptable to me. So what I would do is come up here and I'm going to highlight anything that you did not do correctly. And that's what you want to look for when you get your document back. Once I've graded your work, I'm going to come over to the Share button. And since we are already collaborators, I'm going to choose this option, Send Message to Collaborator. I'm going to put a message in here when I send you a message, and it will say something like, please correct number 3 and resubmit. The other option is that I will say, you receive an A, and I will put the grade in the grade book. So you always have to pay attention to what message comes back to you to know if you need to continue working on the document. You need to check your email within 1 or 2 days of sending me this assignment. If I ask you to correct it, you need to go back, make corrections, and send it back to me. You will not receive any grade in the gradebook until I have sent you a final message saying you have now received an A or a B. That's the message you're looking for from me. Then you know you're finished.